Well done. Keep jogging. Keep running. Wrong shoes, wrong clothing, but you're doing good. Don't drop my trees. Can't see you. Yep, I can see you now. You can run, I see. Oh, those guys are still here? Oh, because of the hill. Oh. That morning walk is heavy. Well, we warmed up already, so. That's my brother Paul. The one in front is my brother Otis. Sorry, I'm breathing so heavy, but it is what it is. Whew, I'm tired. I can see you. He wants to run with the wheel. Oh, it's stuck? It got stuck or it fell?
Sorry?
It got stuck?
I want to carry it.
Oh, it's easier. Oh my God. Okay. But you're too good to carry, I guess. They're working for me. That's right. It's a hill climb, so I'm breathing so heavy. Yeah, it is. I'm tired. Don't laugh, huh?
The saying for once you go black, you never go back.
What do you mean? No, once they go village, they can't get the village out of themselves. So they go old school. Tired, eh? You guys are strong. Oh, you're squats. You're squat. Oh. All right, this is heavy. Habari zenu? Siwapati. You dropped my tree. My poor tree. Nini hapana? Hii sio picha. Ni video. Same difference. Aya, nimewacha. Nimechukua tu kidogo hata uonekani. Nimechukua shamba yako ni mzuri. Adi, are you sure you're strong enough for that thing? Who are you? I see why you didn't want us to bring a car here, because I think this wheelbarrow has such a small... The wheel is too weak. One hand? No, carry it a little bit. He's tired, Paddy. He's been working. Those guys were telling me don't take a video of us, but I took a video of them. They think I'm a tourist. Okay. Morning exercise, yeah. Home is closed now. Paddy's good. Paddy's a show off.
Better than good.
It's better than good. But he's like doing like kill me quick. On the hill he's running, so it's done. Don't fall, please. Don't drop my trees.
Lazima kuna momentum hapo.
Yeah, you have to have momentum. Thank you, did a good job. Say yay. You're strong, you have big muscles. You're making use of them. If it's me, that thing will have flipped over a long time ago. And all they're okay. Oh, these are students in the assembly hall. I'll sneak in a little bit. They're having their morning assembly. They sing the national anthem. The headmistress addresses them for the day. At least now you can take over. It's a smooth ride home.
I'm better to supervise.
You don't want to sweat. That's attention. They want to sing the national anthem, I guess. Are we supposed to stop? Yeah, stop. They are raising the flag.
Are they?
No, but this guy stopped. No, they will stop to look at us. No, let's go. We don't know. We're tourists. We don't know anything. We can't be faulted for not knowing. It's like, why are you walking? And we say, oh, we didn't know what the whistle meant.
We're used to it being at the tracks
Yeah,
where it signals go.
yeah. Yeah, the first one was attention, now that is at ease. I used to do that in school. That's how I know. You're good. Don't finish your energy. That's called Friends School, Mukuyu Secondary School. I don't want to take those guys. They'll say, don't take us. Yes. Wheelbarrows. Okay. Wheelbarrows to bikes, to motorbikes, to four-legged.
Sounds like a broken
There's a
record.
motorbike coming. I can't even see him. Mode of transportation. Because the roads are bad. That's Bahati. Paddy, Bahati National, no, General Shop. You go there, you get Bahati. Bahati means lucky. That shop is lucky. Wow, you're sweating. You have to shower again.
Yeah.
Cold shower. Cold bath. No showers. There are no showers. I love mangoes for me. I love me some mangoes. What do you call these ones in English? This
They have a name, I forget.
googs. What do you call these ones in English? This glue tree. This glue tree. You should know.
Traditional names.
That's a church. Mango tree, close to home. We are close to home. Finally. Oops. Oops. Oh, now you're saying Sungenita.
Shirambere. Ingari uranyere nani?
Okay, we're back home. You need help with the car? Okay. Yeah, he used to say cut one, plant two. That's the, yeah, cut one tree, plant two. Preserve nature. Cut one, plant two. There you go. Cut the big one, plant the small one. Twice. Ooh, cows in the morning. Ooh. All right. Don't do business. Are you sure inakimbia? That's the cow that just did woo. There you go. So tiny, so thin. There's the other one. We're feeding